Today's the day. Today is the day. I've been looking forward to this day for many, many moons. Finally gonna swap me diff. Can't wait. It's gonna be fucking quick once I've done that. Got my GoPro chest harness, I got my DSLR, my tripods in the boot, along with a couple of control arms. The rest of the arms are at work. Should be able to get a fair bit of content on ripping the rear end down. I've never done a Ford rear end before. Should be interesting. Alrighty, so finished work. It's actually almost 2 hours after I finished work, but whatever. Been working on the car. One more bolt holding the rear end in. One bolt. Got everything disconnected that I needed to disconnect, and it's going to take a long goddamn time. I'll show you why. That one there, I can't get a gun on it. I can only get a ratchet on it. And it's tight as fuck. So it's gonna be a while. That's right. Making pretty good time on it actually. If only there was a faster way to get those bolts out, because the front bolt on the other side, the same bolt on the other side, was also a pain in the ass. Took about 10 minutes to take out, but probably 5, whatever. Also changed my oil because it was due for a service. That's about it. I'll update you when I've got the cradle out and the car up. Alright, so I got the old diff out. All good. No dramas. But look at all that. All that just came off it like it was nothing. You should have seen my hands before I washed them. I didn't even do a good job. So I've got to clean all that garbage off. Because obviously you don't want that in your diff. That one's a little better, but I'm still going to wipe that one down. God damn! There's so much shit on it. Amazing. Might cross thread on that. Yes. Alright, as far as I can tell, I'm out of focus, whatever. As far as I can tell, it's ready to go back in, and the battery's about to die. Shit. I actually just used the GoPro. Fuck. Alright. It's about ready to get bolted back to the car. And then the very next thing I need to do is fill it with oil. So, guess I'll try that. Okay, this is my second attempt at filming this, because the first time I didn't have the microphone plugged in and there was no audio, because without the microphone my GoPro is garbage. Right, so there is some footage, there's a fair bit of footage that is missing, which sucks. I was wearing the chest harness and everything, and for whatever reason it just didn't work. So that sucks. Also, I didn't get the car finished that Saturday. I finished it Sunday morning, but I didn't film any of that either. There is going to have to be a part 3 because I still need to wheel line it. Still need to recalibrate the speedo. And then I can do some testing to see how much faster it is. And then I can make that into a video. So that should have that done by Sunday. It's now Tuesday night. That's going to wrap this one up. See you in the next one.